Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 19 of our trade logging series. This week we barely broke even, so we did not make money and we did not lose money. It was an extremely choppy week, and these are the weeks that makes or breaks a trader, right? When markets are choppy, you have to be very cautious not to lose too much, right? Not to dig yourself a hole that you can't get out of, right? Because if you lose too much on the choppy weeks, when the market is going up or down and you're able to long or short it, you have to climb yourself out of the hole you dug first before you get any profit, right? So at Average Trader, we focus on the quality of the trades rather than the quantity. If you do want to see all these trades live, head over to our website. I do show all of the trades we talk about every single week live on our website in our chat room, right? So you can take ideas from it, or even follow along and take the trades yourself on your own platform. We're the only chat room that guarantees profit promise, right? So if any given month our callouts do not make money, we're negative R or 0 R, you do not pay us a dime for that whole month, right? That is it. Let's hop straight into the first trade of the week. And the first trade is Google, GOOG, 98.20 by 97.85. And we got 1 R out of this. We did a 1 minute buy setup, right? Very textbook pattern. And some of you may be asking, why not take 2 R? We only took 1 R out of this because it failed at the previous resistance, right? So our confidence in this thing just dropped. I think it went 1.5 R. At 1.5 R over here at the resistance, we moved our stop loss up to 1 R and it tagged us there. So really, really nice pattern. Would take it again 100 more times. Next trade we took was HD, 321.50 by 320.50, and we stopped out of this thing. This is an interesting stock because this actually really shows you how choppy the markets were, right? We took this off of obviously a 3-bar play, right? And this topping green bar barely triggers and immediately stopped us out, right? Now, before we go any longer about this trade, let's look at the next trade. And the next trade is the same exact trade on the same exact day. And we got 1 R out of it, thankfully. And it was 321 by 320, right? So we got in on this turnaround play right here. But you can see the previous trade is right here, right? And the next trade is over here, right? It just shows you that this stock, right, was chopping around so much so, right, that it stopped us out before giving us 1 R, right? And so all of this is to show you guys how choppy the markets were this week, right? Fortunately, on this given day, we broke even because we took HD twice. But oh my God, just look at this bottoming tail on the 1 minute, right? This is just insane choppiness. And I hope many of you that aren't in the chat room and trading by yourselves, I hope you guys didn't lose too much money this week, right? Because really tough market out there this week. And the last trade of the week, and yeah, you heard me correctly, last trade, 4 trades in. The last trade of the week was Tesla, 174 by 173, and we stopped out of this thing. This was an anticipation 3-bar play, right? As you can see, this red topping tail popped right above 174, popped like 20 cents, right, and immediately stopped us out, right? So really choppy day, and I decided to end my Friday like that. And like I said, that was the last trade of the week, right? Technically it was a 4-day week, right, because Thanksgiving was a market holiday. So 4 days, 4 trades, and $0 in profit. So once again, if you do want to see all of this done live, right, and if you do want to maybe learn a thing or two about trading, head over to our website, right? We're very transparent there. And if you have any other questions or comments, join our Discord, right? I'm extremely active there, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys have trading related. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you guys next week for the continuation of our trade logging series, and hopefully, right, markets get a bit better and I will have some good news next week, right? Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye bye.